Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain how to use class as a template in Java. Till now, we have used class for enclosing the items, right? Till now, we have used class for enclosing the items like variables, methods, etc. So, for example, if I take you to this previous example that I have covered in one of the previous sessions, okay, here you see we have created a class with the name demo_m, and this is the starting of the class and this is the ending of the class. Everything that you are writing as part of this Java program in this particular file is enclosed. All this code is enclosed inside the class, starting of the class, ending of the class. All the Java code we have enclosed inside a class. This is what is the main purpose of the class, right? That I have already explained in one of the previous sessions of this course, that the main purpose that we have to create a class is to enclose the items like we can enclose variables, methods, and many more items. Okay. So this what is the main purpose of the class. No matter this example, you can go for other example. Here also class is doing what? It is enclosing the things. Here also the class is enclosing the other items. So the main purpose of the class is to enclose the different items. Okay, like variables, methods, etc. Like variables, class can enclose the things like variables, methods, and many more items, many more things. So in Java, we enclose everything inside the class. That's what is the main thing about the class that we have learned so far. But there is another side for a class. Apart from this, apart from using class for enclosing the items that we are going to continue in the upcoming sessions also, that we are going to create a class to enclose the things that's there still. But there's other side for a class also. What is the other side for a class? Using the class as a template. Okay. The other side of a class is we can use a class, okay, using it as a template. So why we have to use the class as a template, as explained in the previous session? If you use this class as a template for creating the objects, that is, if you want to represent some real world entities in the programming, while writing the Java code, if you want to represent some real world entities in it, then we need objects. How to create the objects? With the help of the class. Which type of class? The class which is used as a template. Such kind of a template class can be used for creating the objects. Okay, and these objects will represent the real world entities in the programming. So using it as a template as part of the OOPS concepts, okay, since we started the OOPS concepts from the last two sessions, right? As part of the OOPS concepts, okay, we can use class as a template where this template can be used for creating the objects for representing the real world entities in programming. So how to use class as a template? I would like to explain practically or show you practically or demonstrate to you practically. Till now, I've demonstrated how to use the class for enclosing the things like variables, methods, and so on, right? Now, for the first time, I would like to create a class where I want to create the class for using it as a template or blueprint or factory for creating the objects. How? Right click on this and create a new class here. So I'll just give some name for this class. Let's say I'll give this class name as car, guys, car. Okay, I'm giving the name of the class as car. You can give any name. I'm just, for example, I'm giving the car as a name. Here, I don't need the main method. You can add the main method, not a problem, but I don't need the main method when I'm trying to create a class as a template. Okay, I want to use that as a template, right? I don't want to run the code in the template. Okay, there are other ways to run the template. Okay, there is other way to run the template. So that's the reason I don't need this main method. Whenever you want to run some code inside the class, we generally that class need to have the main method, right? But when I'm creating a class as a template, it's not compulsory to add the main method. So even though it is possible for me to add the main method inside this car class template, but I don't want to add it for demonstration purpose right now. Okay, click on finish. You see, a class got created, public class, class name, starting of the class, ending of the class. Now, the main purpose I created this particular class here is to use it as a template. This template can be used for creating the objects later. Okay. So, okay. Inside the class, generally we contain what? Variables and methods, right? Generally, a class will enclose variables and methods, but using that variables and methods, I'm going to create a template. Okay. I'm going to create the car class template in this example. So what does a car contain? Let me explain. For example, one thing is like a company of the car. Spring company, car company. Then spring, okay, spring car company. Then spring model, another variable. Then int price, then double mileage, okay, int wheels, and I can also add something like string color, and so on. I can create any number of properties I want. These are some variables that I'm creating inside the class, that is car class in this example, as part of creating the car class template. Okay, class template. Along with these variables, this class also contains some methods, right? I would like to create a template only here. Okay, my intention is to not run this code directly. That's the reason I have not added the main method in this example. Okay, my intention here is to create a car class template. One of the example of the car class template is with the example of car class. I'm explaining that with some wheels, sorry, with some variables, and here some methods, that is public void start car. You see, for the first time, I'm not adding the static keyword here. So don't worry why I'm not adding, just don't worry about why I'm not adding the static keyword while I'm creating the methods. In the previous examples, whatever the example I take, whatever the methods I created along with the main method, right, I added static, right? So don't worry about that static concept, that will be covered to you in the upcoming sessions. Excuse me. So for now, I'm creating some variables and I'm creating some methods. Okay, when you want to create a class template, in that we can add variables and methods. In that, methods should not be specified with static keyword. We can also specify also, but here in this example, where I'm showing to, okay, where in this example where I'm creating a class template, I don't need to add the static keyword. Why? What will happen if I add the static keyword? What will happen if I don't add the static keyword? That I'll cover later. Okay. For now, just blindly follow whatever I'm doing. Okay. Here I'm creating the methods without the static keyword. Public void start car. System.out.println. Okay. System.out.println. Here I'll say company plus car started. I just want to write like this. Then public void stop car. Public void stop car. System.out.println. Company car stopped. Okay, company car stopped. Then next, public void car details like this. Here I'll print system.out.println. Company of the car is plus company. Then system.out.println. Model of the car is plus model. Next, system.out.println. Color of the car is plus color. Now system.out.println. Price of the car is plus this particular price. Okay. Then system.out.println. Mileage of the car is plus mileage. Then system.out.println. Sorry, let me write it again. System.out.println. Wheels of the car are plus wheels. Okay. Company of the car is company. Model of the car is model. Color of the car is this color. Price of the car is this price. Mileage of the car is this mileage. Wheels of the car are these wheels. After that, just for demo purpose, I'm adding this line, guys. Okay. So you'll understand why I'm adding line here later. So here, this is one example of a car template, class template. You see, I created a template. You see, my purpose is not to run this code directly. You see, I cannot run this because there is no main method. I can add the main method. That's okay. Inside this class, I can add the main method, but I don't want to add it just for demonstration purpose. So I wanted it to be a pure class template. Okay. I want this particular class to be a pure class template. That's why I'm not adding the main method here, but you can add. Okay. But you can add. So fine. I'll be using this car class template example for creating the objects. How to create the objects using this particular car class template, that I'm going to cover in the next coming sessions. Okay. For now, I just created the class template, one example class template, that is car class template containing some variables, containing some methods. That's it. Okay. So how to use this class template as a template or blueprint or factory for creating the objects, that I'm going to cover in the upcoming sessions. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.